Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, obviously, as you can tell, is going to be a Trader Joe's grocery haul. I haven't been to Trader Joe's in at least a month, maybe 2 months, and I was dying to go and get some of the things that I had previously purchased and check out some new things because I just love, I hate having that on in videos. I just love shopping at Trader Joe's because I feel like they have so many unique things and you guys seem to love Trader Joe's. So here I am doing a haul. Don't mind me, we went to the beach this morning and it was very overcast. So mom brain did not put sunscreen on myself. Of course, I put sunscreen on Sydney like 7 times. I did put sunscreen on, but apparently it was after the fact. So just don't mind me there. All right, you guys, so if you like grocery hauls, especially Trader Joe's hauls, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below that you like Trader Joe's grocery hauls. And also, I'm gonna let you know I have a couple of recipes planned to do this week, very soon actually. So I will probably be filming them because y'all like recipe and cook with me videos. All right, you guys, let's jump in. All right, so first and foremost, Sydney got hungry. You guys know Sydney. She got hungry, so I opened up this bag of veggie sticks, just Trader Joe's veggie sticks, and then mom ate them on the ride home as well because I could not help myself. So there's that. I like to buy a huge thing of water for making homemade cold brew. That way I'm not opening tons of little individual bottles of water. I like to just use just something like this to make homemade cold brew coffee with. So I got Sydney some yogurts. These happen to be, what is it, peach and mango. So mangoes and cream and peaches and cream yogurts. Sydney loves yogurts. I ended up getting myself some. I've never had whoa, my back is really red. Sorry about that. So I've never had Trader Joe's yogurt myself. I got Greek yogurt in mango. It is non-fat and mango sounded really good. I love mango, so does Sydney. So I got myself some mango yogurt. I thought it sounded really good. Sydney loves cheese, so I ended up getting her some cheese sticks. These are Colby Jack. Nothing special, but they're super soft. I love Colby Jack. It's like a nice, like sharp tasting cheese, but yet like not hard, if that makes sense. And then nothing special, just some eggs because we can't live without eggs here. I've been on a super duper mozzarella kick lately, like the fresh soft mozzarella cheese. So I ended up getting just a log of that fresh mozzarella cheese, and actually this one is pre-sliced into this one is pre-sliced and it makes my life a lot easier. I can just grab and go and pop these on you know, chicken or just whatever it may be. They're already pre-sliced for me. And 4th of July, I got a bunch of 4th of July fruits. So I got a thing of strawberries. I got a pint of blueberries because Sydney loves blueberries. And then I just got some hummus. This time I went with the regular flavored hummus, nothing special for flavor because I want to add my own flavors to it. That's why I ended up going with just the plain for now. And then some fresh corn. I love that this is pre-husked and I don't have to work for it. So I ended up getting this, which was super convenient, ready to go corn on the cob. Some shelled edamame, ready to eat. Haven't tried this before from Trader Joe's. Yeah, it's just shelled edamame. We can pop it right out of this and have it be a really good protein snack for Sydney. I like to have something different. You guys know that I like to feed her a good variety of foods. So whenever I'm grocery shopping, I try to come up with something that, you know, we don't have all the time, or just something new, you know, just good variety. This is something new that I picked up and I thought it sounded really good. It was in the frozen breakfast area. It's cauliflower pancakes. It's potatoes, cauliflower, Parmesan cheese. No, it's not potatoes. Just kidding. It's cauliflower. What am I even thinking? Cauliflower, Parmesan cheese, brown rice, egg white powder. Sounded really good. It's kind of like a play on hash browns is what I'm gathering. So maybe we can have those in the morning. I thought those sounded really good. My sweet tooth was kicking in while I was there. Someone I think told me to get the sea salt caramels the last time. I didn't see those. They were probably right in the same aisle. But these are dark chocolate covered caramels. I have the biggest sweet tooth and those were calling my name. They just sounded so good. Sea salt would have been even better, but I did not see those, so maybe I missed them. And then Sydney, of course, drinks whole milk, so I just grabbed a half gallon of whole milk. I need to put this in the fridge actually right now. Yeah, Sydney just always drinks milk. I got this one of the last times I was at Trader Joe's. It's the corn and quinoa salad. It's pretty expensive for what it is. I think it was like $5 or $4.50. It's kind of expensive for what it is, but it was really good. It's corn and quinoa salad. It's got like corn and cheese. What is it called? Cotija? I have no idea how I say that. I'm gonna help you. It's really good. It was dry though. It doesn't have a dressing, so you have to put a dressing on it, or like maybe squeeze some lime, which it does come with lime. It comes with tomatoes, corn, that cheese, I think cilantro, cabbage, quinoa. I liked it for lunch. I split it into like 2 halves or whatever and ate them as lunch. It was really yummy. This is what it looks like actually. Why don't I just show you what it looks like? That is what it looks like there, and it is all layered, as you can tell. Super delicious. Raspberries, because what is 4th of July without blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries? I mean, come on. Spinach tortellini, it's just nothing special. Cheese and spinach, kind of prepared pasta. It cooks really fast, and it's just one of those convenient meals, basically. And then I absolutely loved the fried rice that I got last time, so I ended up getting another one. This is just vegetable fried rice, and it has all the veggies already in it, and it was super convenient. It takes 5 minutes to cook, and it took like, I think we got like 2 or 3 meals out of it, and it's just super convenient. Already frozen, pop it in the little skillet frying pan, and that cooks. It's a good, kind of a different side to have. I finally found the cauliflower gnocchi. The first time I ever went to Trader Joe's, well, not ever, but you guys were telling me I needed the cauliflower gnocchi, and they were out of it. So I've been twice. This is the 3rd time I went, and it was finally in stock. So I picked this up. Hopefully it's really good. It's just cauliflower, so it's obviously going to be better for you than just plain potato. So I'll let you know. I'll let you know what I think. I got Mexican style roasted corn with that cheese. Cotija. I'm sorry, I don't have a clue how you pronounce it. But it looked so yummy. I figured, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it actually. Maybe on some soup, maybe on, I don't know. Maybe it's not even soup season. In some wraps, ooh, in tacos. Obviously, what am I even thinking? That would be really, really yummy in some tacos, I can imagine. Have been addicted to olives this time of year. I love them on sandwiches, and I've just been going through them so fast. So I just picked up some sliced black olives to have on hand. And then I really like sliced American cheese. They don't have American cheese. I mean, they have like the pre-sliced and packaged, like individually wrapped, and I don't like it. To me, it's like slimy, chewy. It's just, I don't like that. So I ended up getting sliced sharp cheddar cheese instead. Do you guys like American cheese? Is that like a, I don't know. Is that a thing? Or do most people, I don't know. I thought American cheese was just everywhere, but I guess it's really not. It's not even good for you, I know, but it's delicious. And then I got some crumbled feta. I am going to be making a cucumber Greek salad. I cannot wait to make it. I want to make it tonight, but I'm going to save it. I'll make it tomorrow, and I will probably film it so that you guys can see it. It's going to be so freaking good and delicious. So I had to stock up on some feta cheese. You guys have been telling me that I needed the Green Goddess salad dressing, and I finally picked it up, and I'm so pumped. I'm probably going to put this on the corn and quinoa salad. This is what it looks like here, if you guys can see. It's got avocado, green onion, cold pressed lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic. It looks super, super yummy. I love Goddess dressings, and I thought that would be really delicious. And then I got a pre-prepared pasta salad only because it sounded so good and I went there hungry. It's a lemon basil pasta salad. You guys, how good does that look? It looks so yummy. It's got peas, cheese, pasta, lemony garlic, dressing. It just sounded so good. I don't love to buy a lot of these pre-done salads because they are so expensive, but these two were just calling my name and I couldn't say no. Lemon basil. Right now I'm obsessed with all things lemon, so I just had to. I have purchased these before. These were really good. The everything crackers is basically like the everything bagel seasoning cracker style. I don't know. I've had them before. Sydney loves them. They have a lot of seeds on them, and they're interesting for her, so I don't mind them. Speaking of everything bagel seasoning, I got Trader Joe's everything ciabatta rolls. Oh my goodness, these sound like these are going to be so good on chicken sandwiches. Well, like making a chicken sandwich with having these as buns. I cannot speak English. They sounded so good, and I love ciabatta bread. It's so yummy and delicious. So everything bagel seasoning, I debated on getting regular ciabatta or the everything bagel, and I went for it. I just went for it. I feel like I'm probably going to be making grilled chicken sandwiches with a garlic mayo and cheese and avocado. Oh my god, I'm salivating. I want those right now, actually. Anyway, I'm going to be using those for grilled chicken sandwiches very soon. We'll dive into this bag and then I'll show you what I got for produce. I got croissants because I love having egg and cheese on croissants in the morning, and I know they're not healthy for you, but they are so darn good. So this comes in a pack of 3, just some buttered croissants. I haven't had breads from Trader Joe's yet, so I hope they're really delicious. And this is just nothing special, a loaf of soft 10 grain bread from Trader Joe's. I keep saying from Trader Joe's, I mean Trader Joe's brand. You know what I mean. A bag of avocados. This is a bag of 4, and I think it's $2.99, something like that. It's not that bad of pricing, but just a bag of 4 avocados, because you cannot live in this house without avocado. Another thing that was calling my name as far as the sweet tooth goes are Half Moon cookies. Guys, I haven't had these since I was a little kid. They were just absolutely calling my name. Here, is it gonna focus? They were just calling my name and looked really good. They look like they're gonna be sort of soft. And fun fact, I love soft cookies. I do not like the hard crunchy ones. They just don't appeal to me. I hope these are not crunchy. Whatever, they're gonna be delicious either way. They were just, I don't know, they just look so good. I also got a jar of pasta sauce. I always have to have pasta sauce on hand. This one is tomato basil marinara. Yummy. Got some vine ripened tomatoes. I love these tomatoes on sandwiches, and then as like caprese salads. I'm probably going to be putting them in my Greek salad, and then putting them with the fresh mozzarella and drizzled it with the balsamic glaze. Oh, so yummy. These look so good. I've never seen them or tried them before. Almond butter cocoa bars. So yummy. They look like they're going to be so good. They're soft and chewy with an almond butter filling, and I love peanut butter chocolate combos, almond butter chocolate combos. So Sydney and I will definitely be giving those a go. What is in them anyway? They have, actually they're not that bad. 4 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber, 6 grams of sugar. They're actually not bad. I thought they were going to be a lot higher in sugar, and that's not bad at all. I think Sydney's like kids granola bars in, you know, whatever, have 7 to 9 grams of sugar anyway, so those actually aren't bad. I didn't read the label while I was in the store. I just kind of threw them in the bag. Just garlic powder, nothing special about that. And this is going to be going on making a dressing with it. I got red wine vinegar, and I didn't realize they only sell a small one. They probably don't, and I probably just didn't know where it was. But yeah, a small thing of some red wine vinegar to make a dressing with. Because of my Greek salad that I'm going to be making, I got Kalamata olives, and these are the pitted kind. Yum. A lot of people don't like Kalamata olives, and I get it, but I do. I love all olives. And then this sounded so good. I actually went for sangria, like the pre-made sangria, and this was right next to it, so I went with this, and who knows. It's called a mangosini, so it's basically like a bubbly mango drink, kind of like a Bellini mimosa type of essence, and this one's gonna be mango. It just sounded like it was gonna be so yummy, and I'll let you know what I think of it. It is bubbly though, so it's probably only gonna be good the first time I try it, but who knows. Okay, so now on to some produce. I got some cherry tomatoes. Sydney loves snacking on tomatoes. It's one of her favorite foods ever. You guys know that if you watch my channel. Thank you. So I'm trying out their barbecue sauce for the first time. I got the brown sugar barbecue sauce. I usually just go for a honey barbecue sauce, and I heard brown sugar and I thought that would be really good. It sounds like it's gonna be sweet, so we're gonna go with it. And then a can of black beans. I always have black beans on hand because Cindy and I are in love with Tex-Mex and that style dinners, so I always like to have black beans on hand. It's okay, honey, baby. Mama will help you. And then I got cucumbers, you guys. I got 3 of them for my salad and then for just having as snacks. I love cucumbers in the summertime. They're so refreshing and just so delicious. Oh, that's my other seasoning that I got. I got just basil, actually. Nothing special. Just some dried basil. And then I got a couple of sparkling waters. This one is a lemon flavor and this one is raspberry lime. I usually don't do the huge bottles of them. I usually do the cans. But because it's so hot this week and next week, I think, I figured I would probably just chug these in one sitting anyway, just to have. I got some lemons, just 3 lemons to have on hand for dressings and waters and pastas, and I love lemon. Citrus lemon, I love, and it's so weird because I have not always loved lemon. I got a yellow summer squash. I'm probably gonna grill, like I'm either gonna be baking this with some olive oil and garlic, or putting this on the like George Foreman grill or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I like to have summer squash in the summer because it is delicious. And then I got red potatoes, also another, here if you can see them, I got some red potatoes, also another summer staple. I like to have them on the grill with some butter and garlic and onions. Yum, my absolute favorite. Or I can bake them in the same fashion with the butter and garlic and onions, and it's so yummy. Speaking of onion, I got a red onion. Is that what's in here? I got a red onion. The red onions are nice and sweet, so I'm gonna put this in my Greek salad and have them sliced on sandwiches and whatnot. Yummy. And then the last item I got is a bunch of garlic. So we are going to be using garlic. I'm gonna be making like a roasted garlic mayo for my chicken sandwiches this week. I cannot wait. It sounds so yummy. I've never made it before, but I saw a recipe. My friend, I think, sent me the recipe for a sandwich and it had roasted garlic mayo on it. And I just thought I have to make it now because it sounds so delicious. Alright, you guys, so that is everything that I picked up at Trader Joe's for this haul. I hope you guys got some good ideas on what to, maybe if you didn't know that existed, maybe you can try them out. I will obviously be letting you know how everything is as far as, you know, salads go that I haven't tried before. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That way I know that you guys like grocery hauls. I got so many requests when I mentioned that I needed video ideas a couple of weeks ago. So many of you said you wanted grocery hauls, like you love grocery hauls, and guess what, so do I. So I'm a foodie, so I love them. All right, you guys, I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.